Hello all, Jackie here. Thanks for joining me today in creating a card using Stampin' Up's Cling Stamp Set Spotlight on Nature, red rubber. We're also using the Spotlight on Nature dies. I have them here off to the side. We're also going to be using the Dotted Circles 3D embossing folder. It's a big one, or one of the larger embossing folders. Used this one before. Using basic black as our base of our card, cut at 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 4 1/4. This here, I believe, is a 4 by 4 square for this circle, and this one here I believe was a 3.5 by 3.5 or 3 1/4 by 3 1/4 square. And then here is a 1/2 inch strip. I don't know what the length is. It was a scrap. And here is also a scrap for a butterfly. These two basic white pieces are 4 by 5 1/4. Let me go ahead and burnish our card base. Just got this set, so I want to try it out. I'll go ahead and put this in the embossing folder, and I'm gonna try and put it a little off to the side so that we can, let me see, let me hold it up here. We can put our circles, like I'm thinking of putting the circles here, and you'll see more circles. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, this was the sandwich, the 4 plate, our die and cardstock, and the 1 plate on the bottom. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, let me go cut these out now. I'll be right back. And this was the sandwich, a 2 plate, cardstock and dies, or 3 plate I should say, and a 2 and a 1. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh, can you see that? Love it, you guys, love it. I'm gonna take this and stamp on it and stamp on these two. So let's get to our stamping. Using black Memento ink. Beautiful. This will be a happy birthday card. Beautiful. And then let me get a scratch paper to go under here. Oh, yeah. Since this stamp is pretty big, we'll take our ink pad to our stamp. I'm pressing down because I don't know if I have enough ink on this ink pad. I do. Okay, and then for this, I'm grabbing some colored blends. I have different colors in here. I'm gonna use Petunia Pop and Old Olive. So here is light Old Olive for our leaves and stems. So this is the light, like I said, or mentioned. I'm gonna go ahead and color these in. It's been a while since I colored. Using the bullet tip. We don't need to press too hard. The ink just flows. Then I'll get the dark. Still with the bullet, I'm gonna just go ahead and do the end like this. Bring the light back out and blend. And I have a color lifter here, guys, because I went outside the lines a little. So lift up that color. Haven't used the color lifter in a long time, so look, ink is like dripping out everywhere. Okay, and then Petunia Pop, guys, Petunia Pop. So I'm getting the light. And I'm just gonna color it all. Using the bullet tip. Okay, dark Petunia Pop. And again, just in the dark places, not a lot. And the light again, just to blend. Just like that. And then where's my color lifter? I went outside the line again. Over here. And I don't think I got it over here. Boy, the eye's going cross already. Oh, look at this. I missed this little leaf down here. Just gonna give it a little color. Okay, we gotta give it time to dry. How does that look, you guys? Beautiful, beautiful, huh? And then this one here, the butterfly, I was thinking of doing Pretty in Pink a daffodil, and then maybe we can put in some, so here is light daffodil. And then dark. Oh wait, don't use that end, that end's not working. And take the light again. I think my light is running out of ink. And then I got Pretty in Pink, light Pretty in Pink. And dark Pretty in Pink. Yeah, more on the edges. Then I'll come in with the light again. And then for the pop of color, I'll get the light Petunia pop. Oops, down there, shouldn't have gone that far. Can I color lift it? Let's see. Let's let that dry, and then I'll come in with more, how do you say that? Daffodil Delight. Here's the Pretty in Pink. Just to soften up those edges. Closer. And then let's do the and this, guys, we have to cut them out. Getting a scissors, paper snips. I didn't cut this out ahead of time. So give me a minute. I'll fast forward. There we go. Not that bad. Oh, I still needed the scissors because I wanted to get kind of close to the greeting. Yeah, I'll just square it off. Just like that. Okay, and let's put our card together, guys. So this can go on the inside. did not make this card ahead of time, but I did see other demonstrators. I don't remember who it was, but I did see a similar card on another demonstrator's page. Put a lot more on there because of or a lot more glue on there because of the embossing. Okay, and then this, it's mounted just to the black. Then you know how I've used this embossing folder before. I always think it's got a lot of texture already. And I guess I'm off with my circle. So I'm gonna, should I cut it or should I leave it or should I just move it over? I'm just gonna move it over so that it's not coming off the edge. Just like that. Can't really tell, I think. What did I do? Let me see. Just like that. Oh, hello. Take this off. Turn it so my flower stem's coming down. Stem's coming down. Okay. And butterfly up here. How do you like the butterfly? Does the butterfly stand out more? I'll put the butterfly on dimensionals. Let me grab some dimensionals. How does a butterfly go on here? Like this. Yeah. And then shall we pop up happy birthday? Maybe I should have left it. Let me see. Let's do that again. You know, I have a lot of these 1/2 inch scraps here. No, I got the halo. Snips. Where'd my snips go? Does it look that bad? I don't know. What do you guys think? Got another one, you guys. Got another one. Maybe this is just too small of a happy birthday. You know what I mean? The greeting. How about we stick with that? And I'll get some edge of the dimensionals. here. And just put it right down there. And that's our card, guys. You gotta let me know, what do you think about it? Do you like it? So cute. Should we add some rhinestones though before we go? Let me see if I have any around here. Yeah, I got some. Let's get out and take your pick tool. Can I find one? Yeah, everything's piled up in there. Okay, where would we put it? That's the thing, huh? There we go, guys. What do you think now with the rhinestones? Yeah, just a little bit of shimmer. Thanks again for joining me today. To order Stampin' Up! Products, please visit my website. The address is linked in the description of this video. Don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Come back again soon.